This video is on mass spectroscopy. For mass spectroscopy, you would dilute your sample and inject your sample into a mass spectrometer, or you'll be using a GCMS, at which point your sample for your gas chromatography gets transferred into the mass spectrometer. Either way, you will end up with a graph like this, with the masses of the ions versus the relative intensity. The highest mass on this chromatogram is going to be most likely the mass of your full compound, and any masses smaller than that will be fragments of it. Due to the harsh conditions of the ionization, i.e. the exploding of your molecule, the highest mass may be plus or minus 1 for the actual mass of your compound. So assuming the spectra drawn here is that of acetophenone, which has a structure like this, what is the molar mass of acetophenone? Well, we got to figure it out by figuring out the chemical formula of the structure. We'll notice that it confirms with the mass of 120. We can then break off chunks of this molecule and see how much those pieces will weigh and compare them to the masses shown in the spectrum. So say we took off this methyl group here, that is CH3, that has a mass of 15. Well, it looks like we have a peak at 15. Now you have a go. Try to identify the different fragments of this molecule that are shown in this spectrum. You may pause now. And here's the list of answers.